Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment today to look at this 6.4 by 14 tall gate utility trailer. Going to the front, see our coupler, jack. Of course, they got the safety chains. And then we'll have the lights, power cable. Of course, the deck's pressure treated. We'll have the corner rings, side mounted rings. Safety tape on these trailers does have the Gorilla trailer information on them. Now this axle is going to be a 3,500 pound axle. It's 5 lug, and then you'll see the center cap on here is going to be a rubber fitting. Now with this rubber fitting, you can pop it out. That way you can easily grease the axle. Take a look down plate on the fender. Going to the back here, we also have our license plate bracket and light. Looking at our ramp here, we do see the 5 supports. And the hinge on the right hand side is spring assisted to help bring the gate up and down. I have a little channel where it can move as needed on both sides. Of course, our lights on the back's LED. We have the spring-loaded latch, so the spring latches it back down in place. And then on this one, they also have a safety chain on here. Safety chain will connect to the side of the trailer. Let's see. Let's get this back in the up position so I can show you. Alright, so this handle here is going to be where that chain connects to. A little hard to do one-handed, but not too bad. But definitely a lot easier than doing it without a spring on there. Follow up to the front. We have our spare tire mount. Now these spare tire mounts, what you wind up seeing, you'll take a bolt through this one and bolt through this one, put a lightning on the back side once you got your spare on there, and hold it in place. If you have any additional questions on this 6.4 by 14 tall gate trailer, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720 and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a nice day.